Okay, so what we have here, we have a function which takes attributes for an ID. We declare our output variable. We set some query arguments, and then go get stuff, and then we load it up into $output and return it. All of this stuff inside the while loop is exactly like everything we did for our loop staff. You're just going to get the title and load it in there. If you want a picture, you get the thumbnail and you load it in there. If you want their metadata, do the get post custom, get their stuff, load it in there, all that stuff. Now, something else. I'm going to take mine and I'm going to create a widget, a text widget, and drop it in there. And there's a 50-50 chance it's going to work. Stick it right above search, option V, awesome staff. So I just made a plain old text widget and I threw the shortcode in there. Reload and see if we get it. It's a lot of work to run over to the staff department to get somebody. There we go. It did not work. Okay, that's relatively normal behavior. I'm going to Google for shortcodes in widgets. There's a function you need to add to make that work. And it's quite short. Right there. Filters in WordPress take an existing piece of information. It might be text on a page, it might be a function or whatever, and it changes a little bit. And what we're saying is, for widget text, allow do shortcode. So I'm going to copy that. You can stick that just about anywhere. It could go in your functions file, in your theme. It could go in your, I'm going to put mine in my MU plugin, so that it's always there, no matter what happens. There we go. I'll leave that up for a minute while you guys type it in. No, I Googled for shortcodes in widgets, and there are 1,000 results, and every one of them says the same thing. There, so I have Judy Bloom. So the question was, can we make it do a random staff member rather than by ID? And the answer is yes, using exactly the same code we have. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You'll note that in the right-hand column there, it's actually running.